Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, June 3rd. Well, the first official heat wave of the season for Philadelphia, D.C., New York City is now over. A cold front, it's working its way off the East Coast. Slowly but surely it's working its way off the East Coast. And there are quite a few showers and thunderstorms up and down that frontal system right now. And some of the rain is heavy, and that threat for heavy rain will continue for the next several hours. By tonight, clearing skies will set in the Mid-Atlantic region, and the period from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday look rather pleasant with relatively decent temperatures and humidity values and plenty of sunshine each day. By the end of the work week, Thursday becomes unsettled again with the threat for showers and thunderstorms, and that unsettled weather will continue right into the upcoming weekend. Let's first start off with the latest radar loop from the Penn State EWAL site. The frontal system is working its way towards the East Coast, but here's a whole band of showers and thunderstorms up and down the I-95 corridor. Some of the rain is heavy in D.C., southeastern Pennsylvania, up across New York City. There may be an isolated rumble of thunder or two, but for the most part, this is a kind of thunderstorm free right now. Just some occasional showers, and some of that will be heavy over the next few hours. Again, by later in the day, it'll work its way off the East Coast, and genuine clearing will set in overnight tonight. By tomorrow morning, it'll feel noticeably drier and cooler than it does this morning. Well, here's the current nationwide surface map. Really two areas of interest. Along the East Coast, here's that cold frontal system slowly working its way through a couple of low pressure areas, riding up along it, enhancing the shower and thunderstorm activity. Again, the next several hours can produce some occasional heavy rain here in the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philadelphia, New York City. Another area of interest is quite a healthy storm for this time of the year out here in the western states, causing quite a bit of rainfall in places like Montana and western North Dakota, and that'll continue to slowly move to the north and east over the next 12 or 24 hours or so. In between, Canadian high pressure once again will move into the northeastern part of the country with pleasant weather conditions expected for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Here's the current infrared satellite loop from the Wisconsin website. Lots of clouds up and down the East Coast, and again, occasional heavy rain over the next few hours in the I-95 corridor. Here's that area of interest we were talking about late last week, tropical moisture here, and it may or may not develop into an official tropical depression, but whether it does or not, it will certainly send some heavy rainfall into the state of Florida over the next several days. I'll have several inches of rain in Florida from what amounts to definitely tropical moisture. Again, not too sure if it'll actually become an official tropical depression for the hurricane season, which began on Saturday, by the way, June 1st. Again, out here in the northwestern part of the country, quite a healthy little storm for this time of the year, especially with quite a spin in the atmosphere here and some heavy rainfall in the state of Montana. Well, let's take a look at some GFS forecast maps. This is from last night's Zero-Z model run. This is for tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. By this time, that cold front is well off the coast. Again, there will be clearing skies overnight tonight in the Mid-Atlantic region. Nice, strong Canadian high pressure starting to move in. We'll control our weather here in the Mid-Atlantic states in the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday time frame. Here's that area of tropical moisture here, even with a little bit of a low pressure area depicted here by tomorrow morning, according to the GFS model. Just heavy rain headed for the state of Florida. Again, not sure if it'll become an officially named tropical depression or not, but whether it does or not, Florida will get deluged with rain over the next few days. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow night, Tuesday evening. Again, Canadian high pressure controlling the weather picture here in the northeastern part of the country, and heavy rainfall continues here in the eastern Gulf, headed for the state of Florida. This high will stay in control right through Thursday of this week. Here's a forecast map for Wednesday morning, still in control here. Canadian high pressure in the northeastern part of the country. Cool nights starting tonight and especially tomorrow night and Wednesday night here up and down the I-95 corridor. Cooler air right on the eastern side of this high pressure going all the way down the coast. Here's that rainfall down the eastern Gulf of Mexico headed right for the state of Florida. Let's now jump ahead to Thursday morning. And here's the forecast map for Thursday morning. A couple things to point out here. Now, Florida's getting inundated with heavy rain here from that tropical system, and that'll continue for a day or two over the state of Florida. Notice here a large area all of a sudden here in the Ohio Valley of showers and thunderstorms. And this is Thursday morning's forecast map, and this is headed slowly to the north and east, and it looks like Friday and Saturday will become quite unsettled up and down the I-95 corridor. Again, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday look to be quite pleasant, but then more humidity come Friday, and it looks like with that increase in humidity will come an increasing chance for showers and thunderstorms both on Friday and for Saturday. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.